open your project, go to shadings, go to wireframe, go to view, viewport render image. There you have it. But you don't want all this stuff, so you can just go here and can read all of it from the floor, 3D cursor, everything. Then you can again go to view, viewport render image. There you have it. But what if you want to change the background or the color? You can just go here. Object will be always rendered white. The theme one, you can modify it in the edit, preferences, themes, 3D viewport, and here you can see all of the settings, so you can just change it here. For example, you can go like this. And in the random, it will always give a random color for each of your objects in the scene. Then again, you can just go here, viewport render image. As you can see, here in the background, you can see theme also can be modified. The previously showed world. You can go here, viewport display, and you can modify the background color here. It's not that, it's this one, viewport display. You can go to viewport. It's not gonna change anything. You just go here and you can modify whatever you like. So there you have it. You can always go and play with the X-ray. As you can see, it does what it says, and now you can see through your object. Now you don't. So there's that. You can change the outline here. Outline just give you a highlight that's only necessary when you go to here and turn off opacity for whatever reason. As you can see. Yep. So there you go. That's all. You can render image. There's that.